In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 applications that will make you up to $70 again and again and more. All you need to do is log in every day and get paid. If you could just imagine every single day you grab your mobile phone and you see a new notification, you have made $70 and another $70. This is legit, and guess what? They're going to be paying you a direct deposit into your account again and again. You will be receiving your earnings on a daily basis. There are a lot of people who are already trying this. They have known the secret and they are using this to receive notifications daily, sometimes even hourly. This video is going to open your eyes to a new level of financial freedom and show you a hidden way to make a lot of money online. All you have to do is download these apps and log in every day to claim your money. Everything in this video is 100% free. You don't need your credit card and no investment is needed. This is also available worldwide, so if you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Philippines, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Vietnam, and every other country in the world, you can join and make money on these apps. Don't forget to make money with these apps. Make sure you stay tuned and watch this video all the way to the end. But before we begin, welcome to my channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video online, you will be updated on my new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, the more apps that you download and use, the more money you're going to make. The first app is called Instagc.com. Once you are here, look right here. It says digital gift cards received instantly. And right here it says join our fast growing community and receive free gift cards instantly for your online activities. And if we scroll all the way down right here, it says, earn points for things you already do online. So you can earn money on this app by completing surveys. As you can see right here, you can earn money by watching videos. You can also earn money by shopping online. And finally, you can earn money by searching the web. And once you make enough points on this app, you can withdraw your earnings, redeeming your points for gift cards. Right here, where it says, choose from 320 plus gift cards, click on View Collections right here. Once you do that, you will see a lot of gift cards collections that they have on their platform. And once you complete their offers, they will pay you with all these gift cards right here. So to sign up, just go back to your homepage and you can sign up with your Facebook, your Twitter account, or your Google account. Once you do that, you will start making money, taking surveys, and watching videos, and the rest. The next app is called appkarma.io. If you look right here, earn rewards playing with apps, it's free. So actually this app will pay you for completing offers. Then you earn rewards and redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. The app is available for both iOS and Android users. If you look right here, when you download this app, you're going to be given 300 free points. As you can see right here, install here and get 300 points. If we scroll down, you will also see that they have a referral program right here. Share your invite link or referrer code and earn 30% of what your referrals earn. So all you need to do is promote your referral link and you will be making a lot of money once people sign up using your link. If we scroll down again right here, this app is going to let you earn daily rewards for playing the apps you've already installed on App Karma. All you need to do is simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for, then play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. If we scroll down again, right here, we have achievement badges. And right here, get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. Install 5 apps, watch 25 videos, check in 5 times, etc. That means you're going to increase your reward level each time you earn a Karma Play badge. So guys, go to your Google Store or iOS store and download this app now and start making money. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now let's get back to the video. The next app is called Cashkick.com. This app will also, just like the other app, will deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. So all you will be doing on this website It's answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and also searching the web. If we scroll down right here, these are the 3 steps you need to get started on this website. Step 1, once you sign up, find and complete your mission. From answering surveys to watching videos, there are always great and easy tasks for you to choose from. And you can complete as many tasks as you like. There's no limit. Step 2, watch the earnings grow in your account. Your insights help companies grow, so they are happy to pay for your time and effort. Just sit back and watch the money pile up as you complete your missions. Step 3, from here, you can cash out early and easily. And this app is going to offer you the lowest payout thresholds on the market, conveniently starting at just $10 at a time. If we scroll down again, right here, how does it work? So how it works is that companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you and to get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable, they'll even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and an internet connection, and this app will pay you for doing that. If we scroll down, we're going to see a lot of testimonials from people who have been working using this app. So guys, if you want to get started, just download the app on your device and start making money. The next app is called SuperPay.me. This is also one of the most fastest paying survey sites on the internet. And the good thing is that you can cash out instantly from as little as $1 using PayPal, crypto, Skrill, and earn gift cards. And all you need to do is just take paid surveys and offers and you get paid. Scroll down and right here, as you can see, our members have cashed out over $4.8 million, plus using Amazon, PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill. That is awesome, guys. And you too can take your own share of this money cake. If you look right here, they have top benefits, which is free to join, and you can receive a sign-up bonus as soon as you set up your account. And they also offer a regular $1,000 cash contest on a regular basis. All you need is to sign up and start making money on this platform right away. If you want to learn more about this platform, just scroll down and right here, there's a video for you to watch. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. SuperPay.me. The next website we have is called Swagbucks.com. This website also actually helps you put cash back into your wallet for everyday things you do online, just like the other apps we have talked about. Scroll down and right here, you can earn points on this website by shopping online, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, and also finding great deals to earn your points. And once you get those points, you can redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and you can simply get cash back from PayPal. To sign up, just scroll back up and all you need is your email address, your password, and then confirm your password, and you click right here where it says sign up now. Or you can just sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account. After that, you will be able to carry out surveys, watch videos, shop online, and make money. Remember, the more apps you download, the more money you are going to make. So if you use all of the apps that we have mentioned in the video, you will be making a lot of money. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. So whenever I upload new videos, you'll be updated with my new content. I will see you in the next video.